we should feel better or remain bitter after our senior national football team participated in the biggest assignment on our football calendar, the World Cup qualifiers, in an empty stadium without spectators. But almost immediately after we drop out of the World Cup, all jocks and dandy shandy and hopscotch all corner league and scrimmage against spectators. Seriously though, the Gibson Relays, we assume champs, the Reggae Girls, the Jamaica Premier League, all getting green light for spectators to return. The amount of green light we see right now is like the amber and the red. Stop work. How much of the pain and the feeling of betrayal, though, will be eased by seeing spectators gradually returning to sports left, right, and center? I guess at some point we have to move on. But right now, not sure if we should feel grateful because my heart still full. Not sure if we can forget the bitterness of the regret. All we can tell you is that there is still a bitter taste in the Maverick's mouth. Yes, still. Bitter taste. Bitter taste in the Maverick's mouth. Yes. Bitter taste, Mr. Bitter taste.